Hello everyone. Uh, Welcome to this webinar of building a resilient portfolio amidst volatility, brought to you by IFL Securities and Small Case. I am Tushar Khetan. I'll be taking this webinar. So basically, in today's webinar, we would be speaking about how to build a strong portfolio amidst huge volatility. Many of you might be following the markets. You might have seen many ups and downs in the past 1 year due to this corona pandemic. Some of you might have made, let's say, more than 100% in a return. Some of you might be holding some shares. Some of you might have already sold it, seeing the second wave of COVID, which is uh, entering right now. But let's say, how do you create a portfolio? Let's say if you even see, just give me 1 second. So as you can see the Nifty chart in the past 1 month, Nifty has fallen down by 2%. If you see one day today, the market was a bit volatile. Today it fell by 0.43%. In 1 week, 0.18%. But if you see 1 year, it has a given returns of 54%. Let's say in March, Nifty had gone to its lowest, I think, if I'm not wrong, around 7,500. And from there, it has started to pick up. But recently, after the second wave of COVID, the market has become more volatile. So what should you all do in this kind of a market? अगर मार्केट गिर रहा है, आपको पता नहीं है कि करना क्या है, कि मान लीजिए लॉकडाउन लगेगा नहीं लगेगा, या कोविड के और केसेस बढ़ेंगे, कोई नई गाइडलाइंस आएगी, उसमें हाउ विल द मार्केट रिएक्ट? तो ये एक बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन है. तो आज के वेबिनार में हम इसी के बारे में बात करेंगे कि कैसे अगर मार्केट वोलेटाइल भी है तो आप एक अच्छा और एक स्ट्रॉन्ग पोर्टफोलियो बना सकते हैं, जो आपको जब मार्केट ऊपर जा रहा है तभी नहीं, जब मार्केट स्टेबल है या जब मार्केट गिर भी रहा है. ये इंश्योर करेगा कि आपका पोर्टफोलियो प्रोटेक्टेड रहे, आपका पोर्टफोलियो उतना ना गिरे जितना कि मार्केट गिरे. सो इन बिटवीन अगर आप लोगों को कुछ क्वेश्चंस है, सो आप लोग क्वेश्चन बॉक्स में डाल सकते हैं, चैट में डाल सकते हैं. वी विल ट्राई टू टेक इन बिटवीन. इफ नॉट, हम सेशन के एंड में सारे क्वेश्चंस लेंगे. सो डू नॉट वरी इफ एनी ऑफ योर क्वेश्चंस गेट मिस्ड इन द मिडिल. तो let's start with what are small cases. So basically, जब आप IFL Securities से login करते हैं, either on the web page or on the app, you see something known as small cases. Some of you might have already seen it and some of you might not have seen it. But for all people, small cases are basically a basket of stocks or ETF which are weighted intelligently to track an idea or a strategy. So idea can be something like, I like electric cars. I know for a fact that after a few years, electric cars will be the future in India. Do you think so? I am sure more than 70-80% people think that electric cars will be coming to India. But they would be coming to India, let's say, after 3-4 years. So why not invest in those companies that are helping build electric vehicles? Let's say the infrastructure, charging stations, the batteries, auto parts, etc. Let's say the four-wheelers companies. Any company, let's say Tata or any other companies, two-wheeler companies. These companies will definitely benefit once the government gives more nod to electric vehicles, or there is more demand for electric vehicles. So why not invest in some kind of a portfolio which gives you a mix of all these companies which are related to the electric vehicles? I am sure that if you go and research by yourself, it will take a lot of time to do it. That's why we have come up with a strategy where we have pre-built portfolios for you based on different ideas and strategy. So for electric vehicles, the idea is electric mobility. So it includes all those companies that will benefit from the electric vehicle ecosystem. आज इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल नहीं है, आज वो कंपनीज का प्राइस भी सस्ता है. मान लीजिए कि 3 साल बाद इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स आ गई और फिर आप प्राइस देखेंगे तो हो सकता है उसका प्राइस भी बढ़ जाए, कि वो प्राइस उसका सेम नहीं हो. अच्छा, आई एम गेटिंग a few requests. Please keep full session in English. So I'll keep it in English. In between, if someone wants Hindi, I'll just switch. So small cases help an investor build low-cost, long-term portfolios. This can be based on different ideas like electric vehicles, rising rural demand, great Indian middle class population is increasing. So companies benefiting from the demand from these will definitely benefit. Strategies related to value investing, growth investing, dividends, etc. This is what small cases. How are small cases better? Small cases are designed by experts. These are created and managed by SEBI registered professionals whose full-time job is to monitor and create these particular baskets. There is no lock-in periods. This is just as simple as buying or selling stocks. The only difference is here you are investing systematically and through a portfolio. Last, these are diversified portfolio. Many of us has this question ki, okay, if you might have seen last Monday, the market had fallen down by, I think, what, 3 or 4%, if I'm not wrong, if you would have tracked the market. Many people were under the panic, okay, what will be the next day? Or many people were not even expecting the market to fall so much. But if you had invested in one stock, let's say that fell down by 10% or something. Let's assume you invest 1 lakh rupees in one stock that fell down by 10%. 10% of 1 lakh is 10,000 rupees. You directly lose 10,000 rupees. That is 10% of your total investment amount. But if you invest 1 lakh rupees in 10 different stocks, assuming 10,000 in each, and if that particular stock falls down by 10%, so you have invested 10,000 in one stock, that stock fell by 10%. So that means you are losing only 1,000 rupees. So out of 1 lakh, you are losing only 1,000 rupees, which is 1%. See the difference investing in one single stock and investing in a portfolio? This is why diversified portfolios are always better. They might take some time to give returns, but they will make sure that your portfolio is secure and less risky as compared to single stocks. So, if the market is volatile, what should you do? Many users must have this question. If the stocks which you choose are also from the markets. If the market fell, your portfolio will also fall down. So here comes the main question. Okay, if the portfolio falls down, the stocks and the strategies are chosen in such a way that even if the market falls down, let's say by 5%, 10%, these strategies will ensure that your portfolio doesn't fall down by so much. So for that, we have one particular small case that helps you invest in all kinds of market conditions. Whether the market is going up, market is stable, market is going down. That is called the all-weather investing small case. As the name suggests, it's a portfolio for all kinds of weathers. So what exactly is the all-weather investing small case? So all-weather investing uses ETFs to diversify across 3 asset classes. What exactly are ETFs? ETFs are exchange traded funds. These are just like mutual funds, but traded on the stock exchange. Let's say they track a particular index. So all-weather investing uses ETF to diversify across 3 different asset classes. What are the 3 main asset classes that we use? One is equity, as we all know. We are investing in the markets. Second, gold. Gold is, let's say, the go-to investment for any family in India. कि कहाँ invest करना है, कुछ नहीं समझ आ रहा है, चलो ठीक है सोना खरीद लेते हैं. Many of you might have, let's say, physical gold kept in your place. If you know, many of the families have started investing in digital gold rather than physical gold. कि क्वेश्चन आता है कि गोल्ड कौन रखेगा, कहाँ रखेंगे उससे अच्छा डिजिटल गोल्ड खरीद लेते हैं. The value will keep on increasing. And the third one is debt. So debt is basically हमारे घर वाले mostly parents, grandparents का favorite investment instrument, FD. शायद आपको भी शायद ना पता हो कि पूछ लीजिए कि हाँ मेरे नाम पे कोई FD है क्या, या हमारे पास कितने अमाउंट की FD है, how much of our total investment have we put in FDs. So this is basically debt. कि जहां पे आपको एक फिक्स्ड रिटर्न मिल रहा हो. So all-weather investing is a portfolio that combines of all these asset classes in just one portfolio. You get a advantage of all three. How does it help is basically, let's say when the market is going up, equity ETF will help your portfolio to go up. But let's say when the market is stable or the market is going down, तब क्या होता है? जब मार्केट गिर रहा होता है तब आपने बहुत बार देखा होगा कि मार्केट गिरता है और गोल्ड के प्राइस थोड़े थोड़े बढ़ते हैं. व्हाई? बिकॉज मार्केट एंड गोल्ड का इनवर्स रिलेशनशिप होता है. जनरली जब मार्केट बढ़ता है तब गोल्ड गिरता है, जब मार्केट गिरता है तब गोल्ड बढ़ता है. तो इसी तरह आपने देखा होगा, अगर आप एक हफ्ते में देख रहे होंगे कि जब से मार्केट थोड़ा बहुत गिरा है गोल्ड के प्राइस थोड़े बहुत इंक्रीज हुए. तो इसी तरह कि आपका अगर मार्केट 5% गिरा तो आपका ऑल वेदर इन्वेस्टिंग 5% नहीं गिरेगी. क्यों? क्योंकि उसमें गोल्ड है, वो आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट को एक कुशन देता है. एंड थर्ड इज डेट, जो रेगुलरली धीरे धीरे करके आपको फिक्स्ड इनकम या इंटरेस्ट प्रोवाइड करता है. सेकेंडली, दिस इज रिव्यूड बाय प्रोफेशनल. सो बाय प्रोफेशनल, जैसा कि मैंने पहले बताया, like I have earlier told, कि these are created by SEBI registered experts. These are research analysts who create this portfolio. So SEBI registered analysts rebalance AWI, that is all weather investing, on a quarterly basis to ensure best returns. Just I'll take you to the small case dashboard on IIFL. To find all weather investing, just go to the discover section. Here you will see different collections, the model portfolio, smart beta, ETF small cases. We know that all weather investing comes under ETFs. You can see it from here. You can select all weather investing. So as you can see, the CAGR is 12.57%. By CAGR, I mean, since the portfolio has been launched, it has given around 12.57% return every year, growth every year. And this is the low volatile portfolio. Some details about it, which we have already discussed. If you see the past performance chart, let's say max chart, even before all weather investing was introduced, this is just to show how would this portfolio have performed. Let's say starting 2008, when the market crash happened. Since then, the market has seen many ups and downs. So basically 2009, or let's say 2014, 2020, the coronavirus pandemic, as you can see, all weather investing is gradually increasing. And equity large cap, which is basically Nifty, you can see how volatile it is. Here in 2020, you can see the difference. What a steep fall Nifty had and how much did all weather investing fell down. If you check 1 month, in 1 month, equity large cap, that is Nifty, has fallen down by approximately 2.4%. See the volatility. At the same time, all weather investing has given a positive return of 2.7% in 1 week. Why? It had Nifty in it. It had constituents of Nifty Next 50 in it. But still, why? Because it had gold and gold prices increased. This is how all weather investing tries to protect your portfolio. If you see the past 3 years performance, see the fall which Nifty had in March 2020, and see here. This is very less volatile and helps you make a core portfolio, a portfolio which is very less risky and can be beneficial for the long term. Let's say if you are investing in FDs, it will give you a better return than FD. This is not guaranteed because this is market linked, but it will ensure that you get a better return than FD, but not a very high return like 15-20%, but a stable return. As you can see, the CAGR, it is 12.57%. Similarly, here are these different charts. It invests in gold ETF, basically investing in gold. Nifty Junior Bs, which is the Nifty Next 50. Nifty ETF, which is Nifty 50. And Nippon India Liquid Bs, which is basically fixed income. So this is how all-weather investing helps you and protects you in different volatile conditions. For investment, all you have to do is you can select one time or monthly SIP. I would want to do it monthly SIP, confirm amount, start monthly SIP. That's it. All orders are placed. You don't have to even worry about placing each different order one by one. This is done. Your investment is done. Nothing more to be done. So let's get back to our presentation. Any questions till now? I'll just have a look at the chat. I have some shares. For transferring your shares, just get in touch with the IFL customer care team. They'll help you with it. The charges, I'll tell you about the charges once we finish the presentation. Difference between MFs and all-weather investing. So all-weather investing is basically investing via ETFs. You can invest through ETFs via the stock exchange. All these shares or ETFs will be there in your Demat account in your name. These are also managed by SEBI registered professionals, and these are based on different ideas and strategies. What is SD in this case? If you can elaborate, Mr. Vilas, what is SD? A few other questions, we'll take it post the presentation. So grow with ETFs, trend in India. As you might see, there are many different ads also coming on television with many celebrities promoting ki start investing with ETFs. They track a particular index. By index, I mean Nifty 50. That is an index. Gold is an index. They provide diversity and are available at lower cost. Why are they available at lower cost? Because they track a particular index. There is no need of any research. अब Nifty 50 में research करने की तो जरूरत नहीं. आपको पता है कि यही 50 स्टॉक में हमारे पैसे लगने हैं. So there is no need of doing a research. You can directly invest in a Nifty 50 ETF. तो जैसे जितना अगर निफ्टी मान लीजिए 5% या 10% बढ़ा, if Nifty increases by 5 to 10%, the same ETF will also increase by an approximate value. So this is what ETFs are. If any one of you has any questions about ETF, you can know more on our platform itself. In the help section, we have given what are ETFs, how can you invest in ETFs, etc. So activate the powerhouse of your portfolio. So basically, all-weather investing becomes your core portfolio. So there is a strategy called core satellite investing. So what exactly core satellite investing does is your main investment, which is your primary money, which you don't want to lose at any cost, or which is your core. Let's say if you want to build a building, so you have to make sure that the core of the building, which is basically when you are constructing the building, the basement and the everything, the base is very strong. Similarly, while investing, you need to make sure that your core is very strong. So all-weather investing provides that core. It will ensure that your money is safe. It will ensure that your portfolio doesn't fall down even if the market is falling down or not. Apart from core, there are satellites which revolve around the core. Now, satellites are basically of two types. One is a fast-moving satellite and one is a slow-moving satellite. So basically, slow-moving satellites are those which help you invest in large-cap stocks. Why? Because large-cap stocks are less risky than if you say small-cap or mid-cap stocks. These are well-established and big companies, and the chances of these companies going down are very less. Third one is your fast-moving. This is the amount which even if you lose, you are okay because you want your money to grow. So some risk you have to take. So this is basically fast moving, investing in mid caps and small caps. I'll tell you more about this once we are on the platform again. Start sipping. While investing through the small case platform, you have an option. As you just saw, while investing in all-weather investing, there were two options. One is one time. Second is monthly SIP. Through SIPs, we ensure that your investment is always on time. You will get timely reminders and notification your SIP is due. Once ready, you can just make your investment via just 2 clicks. there is no maximum amount, or let's say minimum amount, or you have to invest. There is a fixed amount which you can choose according to your budget or what amount you want to invest. SIPs always helps you because it helps you invest at regular intervals, whether the market is up or whether the market is down, etc. You don't have to worry about market movements. कि market ऊपर जा रहा है, market नीचे जा रहा है. आप timely आपका SIP करते रहें. You might have heard from many senior investors, big investors all around the world कि do regular investment, do SIPs, invest for a long term, and you will see your money grow. So that is how SIPs are beneficial. Through SIPs, you can have the benefits of rupee cost averaging. Basically, rupee cost averaging tells us that when the market is down, in the same amount, you can buy more quantity. When the market is up, in the same amount, you can buy lesser quantities. So this helps in averaging out your cost. Stability in the times of uncertainty, while making regular investment, because you are investing at different time intervals. You don't need to worry about the market movements. Why? Because you are investing at a higher point also and at a lower point also. Third is compounded returns. If you invest 1 lakh rupees through SIPs, you get 10% return. Now, whatever returns you are getting, it's not on those 1 lakh rupees, it is on 1,10,000. This is how compounding benefits. You make money on the money you have earned also, and not just your investment amount. This is how SIPs help. Stay on course with rebalancing, one of the most important features of small cases. Now, let's say you have invested in a portfolio and you don't know what to do. Market is going up, market is going down. You are like, this stock acha perform kar raha hai, this stock is not performing good, etc. Our research team consistently monitors the portfolio and checks, okay, are the stocks in line with the strategy or the idea? Let's say electric cars only. There is some company which was working in the electric vehicle ecosystem, but now it has said that it won't work in the electric vehicle ecosystem. If it has said that, and that particular stock is in the portfolio, now it is not required to be a part of the portfolio. Why? Because you want to invest in companies with the electric vehicle system, but that company is not giving you benefit from the electric vehicles. So it is not required for you to invest in that particular company. So the research team might remove that company and let's say add another. This is done timely, let's say mostly quarterly, once the quarterly results of the companies are out. So this is called rebalancing, periodic review of your small cases by the research team. Portfolio health. This thing we will speak once I take you on the platform. Once we go on the platform, we see the demo, then I'll tell you more about portfolio health. So basically, this is a tool which we have created that helps you analyze your portfolio. So how to invest in small cases? Log in with IIFL Securities with your same credentials. No need for any registration or anything. Just your same ID password, either on the app or on the web. Choose small case. There are different small cases. Select based on the amount, idea, or the strategy which you like. Choose either monthly SIP or one time. Confirm amount, and you are good to go. You can start SIP. You can invest more as per your convenience and as per your wish.
Tushar?
Yes?
Could you please show how to find small cases on the TT web platform?
Just give me one moment.
Yeah.
Pavna, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Yes. Do you want to explain or do you want to show?
Yeah. So if you can go to the, here on the 6th banner, you'll find presenting small cases. Once you click on see small cases here.
Once I click on see small cases here, I'll reach here on this particular page. And on the under more section, you will find a column of small cases. Correct?
Yeah.
Yes. So this is how you can find small cases on the TT web platform or on the app. Lastly, if you have any questions or any doubt about anything, you can reach out to us at help@smallcase.com, where our team will help you for whatever queries you need in regards to small cases. So let's move on to the platform. This is the dashboard where it will show you some investing insights. Okay, you can invest in IFL Budget 2021 High Flyers or IFL COVID-19 Resilient Portfolio. We have already invested in all weather investing. It will show you to invest more, etc. Now, to discover stocks, as I told you, you can see different collections over here, or you can just go to the all small cases page and select the different small cases which we have. We have IFL moderate portfolio, I have conservative portfolio, aggressive portfolio, portfolio related to COVID, let's say companies with strong balance sheets and business model that can rebound strongly. If you want to select something according to amount, you can select from here, less than 5,000, 5,000 to 10,000, 10 to 20, etc. You can choose filters if you want ETF based small cases. Smart beta is a strategy which helps you invest in large cap stocks. This you can ideally use for your slow moving satellites. You can use thematic portfolios. Thematic basically based on different themes. Brand value. Many of us want to purchase only brands and not some local product. These are companies or these are brands which most of the people in India use. If you want to see the stocks and weights, just go there, click on stocks and weights. You will see, okay, Asian Paints, Bajaj Auto, Eicher Motors, Britannia, Dabur, Avenue Supermart, etc. You can also select via the volatility. Let's say low volatility. There are no small cases. There was one small case, all weather investing, which we have already invested. That's why it is not coming here. We have medium volatility and we have high volatility. You can also sort it via the CAGR. CAGR is basically a compound annual growth rate, or maybe 1 year returns. The highest 1 year returns is IFL New Year Picks 2021, 1 month returns, and amount high to low or low to high. Anything which you want to do. Now, once you have invested in any particular small case, let's go here. I had invested in top 100 stocks earlier, and I have invested in all weather investing right now. We were talking about portfolio health. So what exactly is portfolio health? It helps you to analyze the health of your portfolio. See portfolio health. So your portfolio, slow moving satellites needs your attention. Let's say I have invested in top 100 stocks. That comes under slow moving satellite. Why? Because top 100 invest in Nifty 50 and Nifty Next 50. It is asking me to invest more just so that my portfolio is updated. Confirm amount, invest more, and done. All you have to do is just make 2 clicks. That's it. See investments. Your portfolio is in good shape. Your 66% investment is done in core, 33% in slow moving. What you can also do is you can put in some amount in fast moving. So fast moving can be, let's say, high volatility. If I want to invest, let's say, IFL Budget 2021 High Flyers. I see the details. What is this small case all about? I see the chart. If I want to see some particular ratios, I can do the same over here. I'm confident, okay, I will invest in this. Click invest now. For a change, I'll just invest one time, confirm amount, invest now. You will see what are the different stocks, what are the price and what is the quantity, and confirm order. Your investment is done. Now, once you have invested, you will see the health of your portfolio. Okay. What is it correct? Do you need to change anything? Your portfolio is at risk. Why? Because you have invested 75% of your total wealth in fast moving. It will ask you to invest more amount in your core that will ensure your portfolio is healthy. Confirm order. and done. Some more amount. 1 second. Yes. That's it. Now let's say you have allocated a higher amount to your core portfolio and a lesser amount to your fast moving satellites. 38% in core, 55% in fast moving, 6% in slow moving. If you want, you can invest some more amount in your slow moving satellite so that you can balance it out. Let's say around 30% in your core, 30% in fast slow moving satellite, and 30% in fast moving satellite. That will be your ideal allocation. Your portfolio is in good shape. 28% in core, 29% in slow moving, and 41% in fast moving. So this is how you can make a healthy portfolio. If any investment you make, this portfolio health changes, and it will guide you accordingly what investment you should do next. So this is strategy is based on the core satellite approach, which I discussed. Main investment is the core, that is all-weather investing. Second is fast-moving, slow-moving satellite, which is your investment in large-cap stocks. And third is the fast-moving satellite, which is basically mid-cap and small-cap small cases. So this was basically all about the platform. If you have any strategy or idea about your of your own which you want to invest in, you can create your own basket as well. You can name it, let's say what Prashad's long-term pick, some overview for large cap. I'll just add, let's say Reliance, HDFC. That's it. I want to invest in 2 stocks. I can choose the weighted scheme, or I can choose it via shares. I want 3 shares of Reliance and 2 shares of HDFC Bank. Click invest now. You can select monthly SIP or one time, confirm investment amount, start monthly SIP, and done. You can also place aftermarket orders if you want to. Let's say if you are confident of making your investment right now, you can make your investment now itself, and the orders will be executed on the next market day. Let's say tomorrow is a holiday. The order will be executed on Thursday morning. I have invested through SIPs. If I want to edit my SIP amount, I can select my next SIP date. I want to invest on, let's say, 4th of May. Monthly minimum amount is 5,000. I can change it to any amount of my choice above 5,000. I choose 10,000, save. You will get a reminder on 4th of May. See, you will be notified about your next SIP installment on 4th of May. So SIPs help you invest regularly without even tracking the markets. This is how SIPs help. And if you are afraid of the markets or not sure what to do, which stocks to pick, you can always check the all-weather investing small case, which has proven in the past, even if the market falls, that will help you grow your money in the long term, if not at a very fast pace, but will ensure it gives you better return than, let's say, a normal FDs or interest rates, etc. So basically, this was all about how you can create a strong, resilient portfolio amidst volatility. I'll just take a few questions. What is the difference? Okay, so on the charges bit, for every portfolio, you just charge a flat fees of 100 rupees plus GST. If you buy a particular small case, we just charge a flat fees of 100 rupees plus GST, which is one time. After that, whatever transactions you make in that particular small case is free of cost, no extra charges. Apart from it, the normal brokerage which is there, which you will pay anyhow on any stock investment, that will be there. I see no audio. Someone, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Dhaval, I think you just refresh or rejoin it again. You will hear it. The have raised ticket regarding the app. Someone from the customer care team will reach out to you, Jatin, for any app related issues.
I have answered some questions, Tushar. There were a couple of them which would be great if you could take it up. One would be
what is the cost?
Cost is one. The other one is rebalancing schedule and how it is done. If we can show a couple of different rebalance cycles that are available, especially I think in IIFL we have 1 month cycles, quarterly cycles, and yearly cycles.
Definitely. Yeah. So as Bhavna mentioned, we have different rebalance cycles for different small cases. So rebalance cycle depends on small case to small case. The research team feels a particular strategy needs to be reviewed every month. So they'll rebalance it every month. Some might be rebalanced quarterly, some might be rebalanced yearly. If you see IIFL Royal Mint BFSI, top picks from the BFSI space. BFSI is basically banking, financial services, and insurance. The review frequency is yearly. This was last reviewed on November 18, 2020, will be next reviewed on November 18, 2021. So this particular small case has a yearly rebalance. If you want to see which small cases were rebalanced recently, this is Sanjeev Bhasin's blockbuster portfolio. This has a quarterly rebalancing frequency. Last reviewed was 7th April, which is like 13 days ago. Next review will be on 7th July. So this means on 7th April, the portfolio was updated as per the market conditions and as per the strategy. So different portfolios have different kinds of rebalance period. This particular portfolio, IIFL conservative portfolio, this you can see the rebalance frequency is monthly. Last reviewed on 1st April, will be next reviewed on 1st May. Why? Because this particular portfolio requires active involvement. The research team feels that this portfolio needs to be reviewed regularly. This is a portfolio for investors with lower risk tolerance and shorter investment horizon, which is less than 3 years. That's why they feel that 1 month rebalance frequency is required for this. Majority of the portfolio are rebalanced quarterly, some are rebalanced monthly, and some are rebalanced yearly. In regards to the cost bit, as I already told you, each small case when you buy, you just need to pay a flat fees of 100 rupees plus GST, which is just one time on one small case. After that, if you do SIP, rebalance, invest more, or for some matter, even if you exit the basket, no extra charges from small case side. The normal brokerage charges which are there, those would be applicable normally. And when you invest in ETFs, there are certain expense ratios which are levied by the AMCs for ETFs. Why? Because ETF needs to be managed. वो आपका पैसा 50 स्टॉक में इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, तो वो फंड को मैनेज करने के लिए थोड़ा सा चार्ज लगता है, लेट्स से 0.1%, 0.2%, which is very minimal. Why? Because जैसा मैंने आपको बोला, this doesn't require active research. That's why a minimal amount is required when you invest in ETFs, and you don't have to pay it upfront. This is internally settled from your investment amount. That's it. No extra charges or cost apart from it. I'll just check the chat section. I have a few questions there. All whether investing is auto balance quarterly or I need to do something. So for rebalance, you just get a reminder and a notification from our team. Okay, now the portfolio is ready to be rebalanced. All you need to do is click on it and make your investment and rebalance it. It won't happen automatically. Why? Because we want you to know what is happening in your portfolio. You should, the portfolio is very transparent, and you should know these are the changes that are being done in my portfolio. Once you're good to go, just press confirm. All the amount would be debited from your ledger, and stocks or ETF would be credited in your Demat account. Do I have to maintain balance in ledger? No, you don't have to maintain any balance. your money won't be deducted automatically. You will get reminders on whatever frequency you choose, either weekly, monthly, etc. And you need to confirm. While confirming, at that point, you need to have the balance in your ledger. You need an email. I think Pavna has answered most of the questions in the chat. Is it giving suggestions for profit booking also? So Bhushan, basically small case is a product or an investment for long-term investing. You can invest for a short-term period also if you want. Let's say you can buy today and even sell after 10 days or even sell tomorrow. There are no restrictions, no lock-in period. But because it's a diversified portfolio, it might take time to generate returns. But in 6 months also, many of our small cases has given around 30, 40, 50% returns. So if you are happy with that, you may exit the portfolio as per your choice. We don't give any suggestions or tips when you this is the right time for profit booking or something like that. How frequent should I look into my portfolio to get it balanced? So while investing, you know ki my portfolio will be rebalanced either monthly, quarterly, or yearly. So you don't need to actively track your portfolio. If there are any changes or suggestions, we will notify you via email, push notifications, and in-app notifications, etc. Is there any platform like small case or mutual fund? I'm not really aware about this, Purvish. You can check the small cases platform if you want to invest in diversified stocks. Are there any extra charges for rebranding? I think you might be asking extra charges for rebalancing. So no extra charges for rebalancing. The returns shown are net of charges. Yes, the returns which are shown doesn't include any charges or something. These are just pure stock returns. Whom should I contact for account opening with IIFL? Just go on the platform, enter your details. You will get a response from the customer care team. While exiting, is there any statutory charges and what are the tax implications? Yes, there are statutory charges. As I told you, the normal brokerage and other charges which are there while buying and selling stocks, because those are mandatory, you can't avoid the statutory charges. By statutory charges, I mean government taxes, SEBI charges, NSE charges, which are quite minimal. Those will be there. And the tax implication will be as same as normal stocks. If you sell a stock or a small case in the short term, which is basically under a year, you will be charged a flat 15%. You will be coming under the flat 15% tax slab if you have made overall profit. And if you sell your small case after a year, which is basically after 365 days, if your profit is above 1 lakh rupees, you will be charged 10% tax, which is just like stocks, nothing extra. Just like your tax liability for one stock, it's same for the small case. No other thing. Is COVID-19 portfolio a long-term portfolio? I'll just show you the COVID-19 portfolio. I think I have invested in it. Not yet. Chicken. So this is currently. So basically, short-term means like if you see in the current situation, we don't know whether COVID is long-term or short-term. The second wave has just people are being infected. So we believe that companies which had fallen down, this will rebound. So if the research team feels that the idea or the strategy has been implemented or is being done, they'll notify you. But you can definitely invest as a long term. Let's say by long term, I usually mean 2 to 3 years. If there are any changes to be done, see, this portfolio is rebalanced quarterly. So as per the market conditions, as per the COVID situation, the research team will make changes to this portfolio. So whether COVID is there or COVID is not there, you can easily invest because your portfolio is regularly being updated. Can I partially exit from a small case? Any charges for partial exit? Yes, Parajit, you can exit partially. There are no extra charges. Just for easy thing, I'll just show you. If you want to exit a small case, click exit. Here you see a whole exit. Here you see partial exit. I have invested 8,400 rupees. But I can exit partially up to only 3,200. Why? Because of the minimum investment amount. You can exit partially only if you have invested some amount more than the minimum investment amount. All you need to do is confirm. You will see these are the stocks, these are the share prices, exit small case and confirm. That's it. This is how easy it is to exit a small case, either completely or partially.
Tushar, could you please show manage ones? I think there are 2 questions on manage.
Okay, do we have some? Sure. So basically, there are 2 kinds of things. One, you want to invest in a portfolio of your own. Second, you want to invest in a portfolio which is created by the research experts. Let's say IIFL aggressive portfolio. You want to invest, but for some reason you don't like a particular stock. You are like, नहीं, मुझे इसमें invest नहीं करना, मैं already invested हूँ, या मुझे पता है कि मैंने अपनी research किया हूँ, ये stock मुझे नहीं है और ये return शायद ना दे. This is what you feel. What you can do is you can customize your small case. But just thing to note, if you customize your small case, you won't get rebalance updates. Why? Because आप जो research team ने portfolio बनाया है, आप उसे change करके अपने हिसाब से design कर रहे हैं. So you won't get any rebalance updates if you customize. For example, just for example, I remove Gujarat Gas. I don't want to invest in it. And I remove Axis Bank also. These are just examples. I can add any stock of my choice or Tata Motors, and you can invest. This is treated as your own created small case once you customize it. This is how you can invest. Now, this was customized. Now, once you have invested in any particular small case, you can manage it also. You are like, I have invested in these 10 stocks through this small case. This particular stock has given me good returns. I don't want to invest in it. Let's say here, you can do it from here. Click on manage. You are like, my ITC has given me good profit. I want to sell it. For selling, all you need to do is to press the minus button or just go here, press 0. That's it. This means -8. You are selling 8 stocks of ITC. And let's say I don't want ICICI Bank also. I'm removing this. But I want HDFC Bank. I can add HDFC Bank. I need 2 shares. So basically you are buying 2 shares of HDFC Bank, selling 8 shares of ITC, and selling 3 shares of ICICI Bank. In total, you will receive approximately 522.90. You're good to manage and confirm. This is how you manage your basket. So there are no restrictions at all, whatever you want to do. Either customize, manage, when to buy, when to sell. But if you have thought of investing, just make sure and start with your investment. If you're not confident about the market, start with a lower amount. Let's say you can search what are the different small cases which we have, low to high. Let's say the cheapest is 235, that is equity and gold. Other small cases with the second is 5,930. There was all weather investing was for 4,000, but we have invested. That's why it is not coming on this particular screen. Invest accordingly. So moving on to the next, when we sell ITC, the amount released will be reinvested in other stocks. No, Anshul, it won't be reinvested. Whatever you sell, the amount will come in your ledger, and whatever you buy, the amount will be debited from your ledger, and the stocks will be credited or debited accordingly from your Demat account. So this is how you can create or invest in different portfolios amidst the volatility related to the COVID pandemic or any kind of volatility. I hope this was helpful. I hope, Pavna, I have answered almost all the questions.
There was one question on that ITC example that you were showing. When we sell ITC in your example, amount released will be reinvested in other stocks in the ratio assigned?
No, as I already told, ki the amount won't be reassigned. Whatever you sell, you will get that particular amount in your trading account back. The amount won't be reassigned.
Also, the dividends that you earn from each of these small cases will be, credited to your bank account. That is also a plus point.
Correct. Because these are different stocks, you are investing as a basket. Whatever dividends are there, it will be credited automatically in your bank account. No need to track or something. Just here, your bank message will come. So and so amount is credited. That's it. So basically, small cases make your investments easier. It makes your investment less risky as compared to single stocks. So do check the platform out. It's very easy, very simple, based on ideas. If you have any questions, we have a help section. Just click help here. It will take you to the help section. If you have any questions, you can check it from here. Or I have told you, I have given you the email ID, which is help@smallcase.com. Reach out to us if you have any questions.
Just to close this, I hope the session has helped, and please let us know if we can help you. Also, once you log into TT Web app, could you please go to the page?
Yeah.
TT Web.
Yes.
Yeah. Once you log into trade, you will see the TT Web page. On the bottom side, you'll be able to see small case. If you click on it, you'll be able to log into small cases. Once you log in, after coming to this page, you log in, you'll be able to see small case at the bottom of the page. Okay. I hope the session has helped. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, everyone. I hope this was helpful. Please stay safe. Please stay healthy. And let's ensure that even if we are not making a higher investment, we start at least our investment in some or the other place, but we definitely should start as early as possible.